so we have a list.
Yes, of course. Oh, I see.
So we're gonna do more overtime, as much as we can tonight, actually. But we're 4 months summer, so expect a lot more videos to come. We're getting piercings.
Shh, kid, don't. I won't tell them. Mine's personal.
Oh, that's what I'm wearing.
Okay. I mean, mine's not nothing.
But we are getting them. We will see them after.
Yes.
Quiet.
Right.
Bad.
Look at my hair.
Anyway. Stop talking about your hair.
Oh, yeah. Touch it. Yeah, you want to touch it. Touch it. Go. Touch it. No, you wanna. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Anyway, we have a whole new playlist of songs that we're gonna do.
Yeah, but they're never my songs.
My computer.
We're never on my computer.
You should never bring it.
Because you always have yours, and when I bring it, look at my hair.
We have the same laptop.
Hers is black though.
Yeah, hers is silver.
Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Oh yeah, that's going on.
Anyway, enjoy.
8 minutes.
Yep. It's about time to say goodbye. Enjoy the rest of the videos as we put them up.
Look, I can twirl my hair and it looks so pretty. My hair's so pretty. My hair.
Say goodbye.
No, my hair's so pretty. I need to twirl it.
Twirl.
I want to twirl it. I'm gonna twirl it. It's gonna look so pretty. You can see it. It's gonna look so pretty. She can stop it. It's still gonna look pretty. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
Enjoy the rest of the video.
I'm a pretty now. It's pretty. It's so pretty.